Hello guys, I'm Nun Freitas of PHP class 2013, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to create a private message system and um, how we how we're going to do this is not too complicated. It's basically a simple private message system in PHP and MySQL. So let's start this. I already put here some HTML tags, and here you're going to just put here the title. Yeah, and then you're going to just create here a table. We need a table because it's to put the things more organized. So I'm gonna do this so quickly. No, sorry. Alright, now we're gonna just put the columns here, two columns. Yeah, forgot this one. Right here is only one, and we can put it as equals spam equals 2. So, and we going to just create a form action. We're going to redirect the when you click on the submit button to the page login check.php. So let's do this. Alright, and then here, and we're gonna just add here a header to. Alright, it will be username. Alright, so I'm going to name it as username because this is what we need. Here it is a password. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing. So the last one it's a submit button, so it is quickly. So we're going to just put type equals submit, name equals submit, and the value is login. If you already checked my login and register tutorials, you will know this. Otherwise, you should watch this and try to do it well. So we already have here the index page ready. Then we're going to create another one. Yeah, instead of do this, we're going to just copy this. Yeah, and just put it again. Oh well, this is a login check. It doesn't need HTML. It's only PHP. So we're going to say $username equals $_post and username, because this it will go find or try to find this name of username. So then we're going to say $password the same to the go to the password, right? So you're going to just say password, then you're going to connect to the database. So right, we need 3 or we die. Then you're going to put here MySQL error. Alright, in here it will be MySQL select db. It will be this r die. Then you're gonna say MySQL error. Sorry, alright. Here for me, and for you is your local host from your web host or something like that. Here for me is a local host. Password, username is root and password is nothing. Here database is private message. I already create one, but in case you didn't, you just need to go to databases on beginning and create one. We're going to just only create here a table where it will be user have some, yeah, it will be the usernames that we're going to create it. Yeah, so we're going to put ID, index to be primary, and auto increment AI. So here username, going to say varchar, password varchar, date, it will be date. Here can be only 80 and 80, or well, the numbers you want. So can be 800 or 10 or 5, doesn't matter, it is you that choose this. Here we don't put nothing in here, it's the same, so I'm going to save this. Alright, table was created, so let's refresh this page, and then we have here a table, and here you're going to refresh this thing. Sorry about this being so slowly. So alright, this is reloading, and we have here the users. So we're going to insert some users, 2 users, because we need the users for the private messages. So we're going to add here Bob, and then 1 2 3 date. We can select here one, yeah, can be this one, and go. And we created one, so let's create another one. And we're going to say Nuno, A, B, C, and date can be today too. So um, it's yeah. All right, we did this already, and then we're going to here, and then continue the PHP code. So here we did select the database, and then now what you're going to say is log check or whatever name you want, and then you're gonna say MySQL query. Then I prefer to do this because it's for me it's more it's better for me to do this. Then you're going to select all from users where username and then say username. Alright, we have this ready. What we need to check the row, so it will end row equals MySQL num rows, and then we're going to do $log check, and then if you're going to echo out the end row, let's say this page, and then login check. Right, and if you're going to here, alright, here it appears this, but if you're going to here login check that PHP, it should appear 0. Oh yeah, it appears 0 because yeah, it's because of this. But if you sorry, this, if you remove this and save this and refresh, we have two rows. Yeah, we have 2 users registered on the database because we are selecting all the information from users. So basically is this, but we need to put this when you do the login, it's require this. So we're going to delete this echo, and then you're gonna say if $n row different than 0, then otherwise it will be something. So here we're going to put the while loop and open brackets, and I'm going to say n row db username equals n row rows and username. Here it's rows because we're going here where it says here we're going to just put this row equals MySQL fetch hassock, and then you're going to say log check. Alright, then here it's rows, not row. Alright, and then here the same thing, we're going db password equals rows, and then you're going to select the passwords, and we have this already. So we're going to say if dollar password equals dollar db password. Alright, here before this is username equals db username, and alright, and now we're going otherwise we're going to just say here we're going to put here a header with a location. So we're going to HTTP, right? So HTTP local host, then PHP classes 2013, then tutorials, then you're going to say private messages system, and then you're going to say messages.php because it's where we want to be. So, and then we're going to say $_session, then username equals $username. Oh yeah, I forgot here, we're gonna need to put here a session start in the beginning, because then this will not connect the session. So here we're going to do the same thing with the header, just only the header here, and then you're going to say header, but instead this you're going to put it to back, yeah, and the same in here. We're going to back it, doesn't necessarily the message, yeah. So if you're going to do this, refresh, it will redirect to the same page because you're not user. So if you're going to oh yeah, we're going to, now we did already the login check page, you're going to create another one, and then we're going to, yeah, just copy the HTML right now. Yeah, can we first this, and then we're going to put the other one. Yeah, we're going to do this, and alright, we have here the HTML tags. We're going to save this, and we're going to call it messages.php. So here inside the body we're going to create a PHP tag. Inside of the PHP tag we're going to put here dollar pages 0 underscore dear equals, then you're going to say MSG. So this is the name of the folder that you created, so this is going to search for this. So and right now we're going to say if $empty, if not empty, then we're going to say $_get ID. Alright, so and then you're going to say this, otherwise you're going to include the page. So we need to say pages 0 that, and then you're going to say inbox.inc.php. Now we're going to say, alright, so here you're going to say pages equals scan dear, then you're going to put here the pages underscore dear, then comma 0, and Alright, this, then you're going to create an unset, and then you're going to say pages 0 and dollar pages 1. Alright, here we also create a dollar ID equals dollar underscore get, then you're going to say ID. So if in underscore array, then you're going to say, alright, so here is dollar ID dot, and then you're going to say inc.php, then you're going to say you put the pages, and yeah, so alright, so here it is pages, oh no, sorry, include, then you're gonna say pages underscore dir dot, then slash dot id dot inc dot php, then close this. Then otherwise you're going to echo out and say page not found. Yeah, I'm going to save this. We already have the message created, so we don't really need this. What you can do just is only put here before this something saying, yeah, another PHP print, another PHP code, sorry, PHP, and then you're gonna say this welcome. Yeah, it's just to, in here we're going to create another PHP with a session start. Alright, and here you're going to say $welcome equals welcome, then space, and then $session username dot, and then says, right, something like this. And if, sorry about it, right, you go into here and refresh this, and then we're going to enter it Bob for 1 2 3, and then we have some here, some things that let's see. Oh yeah, missed something else. Alright, so let's refresh this. Welcome Bob, yeah, but this is warning because we don't need an inbox page here, so we're going to, instead that we're going to just put here a bold thing and close the bold here. So we're going to open a new one and then create the PHP tags, basically. Only in this one is just PHP. Here I forgot to create the folder. We create now MSG, and then here you're gonna say inbox.inc.php. So here it will be appeared. Oh yeah, forgot here, so say something else. So we're going to say this in where it says welcome, we're going to create here some links to, and then you're going to say messages.php, then question mark id equals compose for it. Yeah, this is compose. Yeah, we're going to compose a message, private message, and we're going to say ref messages.php question mark id inbox. So inbox. Now we can create here a ref, then we're going to create a ref, then we're going to say messages.php question mark id and then outbox. So here to be outbox, and then alright, close this. Yeah, so we have here a problem for this is on here, and here we're going to create a VR. So yeah, let's save this. Basically, if you're going to refresh, we have already on here compose, inbox, and outbox. So if you click in each other, it will not do nothing because it only changes the name. Because yeah, it appears page not found. Here it's page not found. Yeah, but page exists here. Sorry about my. So the page exists, but I don't know why. Let me check it. Inbox. Oh yeah, it's like because of this. So I forgot to put here the dot. Sorry. So we're going to say this and then refresh this. And if you're going to compose, it appears page not found. Inbox it will be blank, and then outbox it will be the same as compose, so page not found. First now we're going to do just only the inbox, and the inbox can be only you can just let this message.php because it will be appears on here, and compose we're going to create later and outbox later. So as you can see, this is something that we're going to do in the next part, so see you until there. Bye.